Candice from Trade Pending, Director of Video Sales, helping you connect with your customers. Here's a quick question for you. Did you know that the average person spends about 2.5 hours on social media every single day? Some even more. That's over 17 hours a week. Now, here's the real question. What are you getting in return for that time? What if you could take just a few of those moments and really invest into something that could actually help you grow your skills, build your network, and even help you increase your sales? That's exactly why we created the Trade Pending Dealership Video Academy on Facebook. This isn't just another group. It's a community of automotive professionals from brand new Greenpeace to seasoned veterans, all sharing what's working for them when it comes to using video at the dealership. Inside, you're gonna find actionable tips and tricks that you can use right away, best practices tested in real dealerships, feedback and interaction from people who get it, and yes, fun contests and giveaways every month because we believe that learning should be exciting. So whether you're just getting started with video or you've been doing it for years, we'd love for you to join the conversation because here's the thing, we all have something to learn and we all have something to give. So click the link, join the group, and let's grow together. Your next great idea just might be in there. Don't forget, video helps you connect.